Hit the button. Hit the button. I can wait. I can wait a little while. Hit the button. Those buttons there, man. Hit that button. Hit that one. Hit that one right there. Hit that one. Hit it, but it's down there. Hit it. Hit the button. 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 I gotta get pumped up. Hit the button. I got a lot of shit to pick up, man, and wrap up, man, and box up, man. All good things must come to an end, and I'm gonna be moving. Not looking forward to the packing and moving part, but it'll be nice to hit the button, 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 hit the button right there, hit the button, hit the button, hit the motherfucking button right there, hit the button right there, right there, but it's down there, I think it's right there, or it's right there, hit the button, and it's, fuck, it's not even 7 in the morning. So I'm getting wired for sound. It's called wired for sound. I haven't even had any coffee yet, man. So I'll show you what kind of time we're gonna have. Wild prickly lettuce there. I'm gonna crush that up. I got a little tea, metal egg, and I'll show you what's up with that. Maybe we'll have some prickly tea, and I'll sample that vanilla cake, press cake I made. So, don't do much piping up in the summertime, you know. It's just, I don't know, man. It's just not the mood. It's not the vibe. But I'm going to keep it up and keep hope alive. And what you can do for me so I can grow is hit the button. Hit the button, hit the button, hit the button, hit the motherfucking button right there. It's right there. It follows me, man. The button fucking follows me. So you follow me too. And hit the motherfucking button. This is part 2 of the wild prickly lettuce. All those pieces I dried out and I crushed them all up. I won't show you that part. It's pretty self-explanatory, and when you have bigger chunks, use scissors and cut it up. I will show you what I'm going to do with it very soon.
You stupid!